Hello everyone! This week we are talking all about class prep and etiquette. This doesn't apply to just when we're in the studio. This is also good practice for those who are training online right now and all the different ways that we practice for dance. Starting tomorrow, we're going to talk about being early, being ready, and being prepared, and why that is so important. There's a lot more to dance than just all the rules that we seem to have, and a lot of it is mental. So, tomorrow we're going to discuss a little bit more detail of how to be mentally prepared with some of that and why. We'll also go into your dance bag and making sure that that's all in order so that way you can be the most prepared dancer possible for any of the classes that you're doing. There's also some just general studio stuff, or right now, in the case of online learning, ways to just be ready and mindful of each other. We'll also go into some logistics on photography and all of that fun stuff because there's a lot of stuff pertaining to that can sometimes be misunderstood, and we want to be able to clarify some of those things and answer some questions that we often get. We'll also talk about good note-taking skills. This is a huge one for most of our dancers because it's a great way to help with retention. Again, there's a lot more that happens in the studio than just us dancing. And last but not least, we are going to close out the week with talking about our reverence. So, I will see you tomorrow